Hey, welcome back. Now, in this video, we will connect all of these UI control to our ViewController. Okay, and before we doing this, I want to inspect the attribute of these sliders. Now, I will select this slider, and then I will go over the attribute inspector. All right, and you will notice the slider has some attributes here. The first one is minimum. Minimum in this case is the tip percentage. We can select this as 0.1, right? And maximum we can select maybe 25%. I don't think that you will tip 25% all the time, right? Right. So the current value, let's say we do it 15%, right? So the current value of this is 0.15, meaning that 15%. Okay, good. Now, how about this split? This one we can slide this. So we have increased the the number of split, right? The minimum maybe 1, the maximum, let's say 20, right? And the current is 1. Okay, maybe 2. Let's do it 1, right? Okay, so let's go over the ViewController, and we can connect all of these UI into our code. Now, before doing that, I want to make sure to show you that the custom class go over the identity inspector, and the custom class for this is ViewController, right? So if you create a new class, let's create a new one, okay? New file. And this one, the source is CocoaTouch class. I want this to be the subclass of UI ViewController, and the class to be Tip Calculator, right? And next, I will place it right here in the group to Tip Calculator and create. All right. So now it has the name Tip Calculator, not generic like ViewController anymore. But before doing that, we have to select this one and go over the custom class. We will select Tip Calculator ViewController and press enter. Okay, sorry about that. Now when I go over the assistant editor, you will see automatic, and it is Tip Calculator ViewController if you do it correctly. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I will connect this one. This is the text field, right? And I will control drag from that to this. And this is amount before text field. Okay. Right. And this is the tip percentage label. We want to have one of this. Tip percentage label. And this is the slider. Tip percentage slider. How about this? This is the result label. All right, and maybe have a space over there. And this is the number of people label. And this is number of people slider. And I hope that you see the pattern over here. And because we name out, I will increase this font size of this. Okay. If you notice the naming convention that I use all the time from the very start of this this tutorials course, that whenever I connect a UI control to this, we will name it by the name, what is its purpose, and then the name of the control, the type of the control. Let's say this is a text field, and the purpose is the amount before text. Then the name of this is amount before text field. This is tip percentage label, and this is result label. So now later on, when we use this in our project, we will have a sense what is it and what is its class. Okay. Now, what is next? I think that's it, right? So that's it for this video. In the next video, we will learn how to implement these UI controls I see you in the next video.